Settle down, children. I have a story to share with you. The world of the Antarctic is a dangerous place. It is important that you learn from the brave penguins before you. The penguins have survived many icy adversities in our time, but nothing compared to the great blizzard. We lost our huddle, little ones. The air was vicious, shards of ice piercing our tufts without mercy. It seemed all hope was lost for us. We had but one choice: march on and hope to find safety together. We realized that when we worked together, the blizzard was not so cold. The most tired among us could rest in the center, while others trudged forward.
Penguins be strong, we march along. Sorrow be gone, together we're strong. Sorrow be gone. Penguins be strong, we march along. Sorrow be gone.
After miles of marching, we came across an enormous igloo. Walls made up of blocks bigger than the pudgiest of penguins. We had to stand on top of each other just to reach the doorknob. That's when we realized the door was locked shut. The blizzard raged on as we waddled around the igloo to find another entrance. Some of us found blocks of ice with mysterious markings. Some found obscure rocks. Others even found some fishing rods. But there was no key to be found.
That happened, Grandpa.
Yeah, tell us how you opened the door.
Well, that wouldn't be much fun, now would it? The best stories leave us wondering. Everything you need to solve the mystery is here in our igloo. Now go out and search. I'll be waiting for you.